Oh my god, I'm so annoying. Well, hello vlog. So today I'm going thrift shopping and I also want to do a thrift flip. So hopefully I find stuff so that I can like DIY them and make like a thrift flip. Thrift flip video. I've been wanting to do one since like the start of my channel because Bethany Moda used to like buy stuff from thrift stores and like DIY them, but like I don't think she called it thrift flip. I think that term wasn't invented yet, but I don't know what she called them. But anyways, yeah. I don't want to see you cry. Okay, the lighting is bad, but the funniest thing happened when I was in the thrift store. So I had just talked about Bethany Moda, right? Just talked about Bethany Moda. And then I was like in line, like about to check out, not about to check out. There was like 5 people in front of me. And so I was like bored. I was like, I'm gonna walk around the store more because it's a long line. I was like bored in the line. Then I go to like the little children's section. I don't know why. And I started looking at the shirt because I was like, what does it mean? I was like being slow. It's like a Venn diagram, but it like didn't look like a Venn diagram. It says like you always meet. It like took me a while to realize it's a Venn diagram, but it meant like you and me, and then like in the middle always or whatever, but like I didn't get it at first. And then I look at the tag and it's literally a Bethany Moda shirt. It was so funny. I like added it to cart and I was like, wait, I'm literally never gonna wear this. Like why would I put this in my cart? Like it's not that funny that I found a Bethany Moda shirt in Goodwill, but it was kind of funny. Also, okay, I'm turning this on. I'm literally so hot in here. Okay, so here's gonna be my thrift store haul. Also, yes, if you notice, my room it's like a little bit like different, like I moved my stuff around. Okay, so here is the first shirt. It is just plain black. Here is it on. Woo, okay, so here is the second shirt. Yes, it is ugly, but I wanted to like DIY it. I don't know, hopefully I can make it cute. I don't know, it's not that bad. Okay, so this is the next shirt. It's just white. You can't really go wrong with just a white shirt, I guess. This one is so ugly. Like I wanted to do a DIY with it. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, I feel like this is too ugly to be saved. Like literally, what is that? It also has like the year 2003 on it. So we have 2 pairs of bottoms. They are this pair of short, which I think I might try to DIY. I don't know, maybe I'll keep them the same, but I think I might try to DIY them. And then we have this skirt, which in the store I thought was a skirt, but I actually just found out that it's a skirt and there's like shorts under it. And then the final thing I bought was this painting. I thought it was really cute and I want to hang it up somewhere, but it's of like flowers and I thought it was really cute. It's made by someone named Rosa, so I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my thrift store haul. Maybe I'm gonna be doing a thrift flip, maybe. Okay, so that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, at me on Snapchat, because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is at 30,000 subscribers, so please, please subscribe. Tell me to get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!